out today. We're doing something a little different. It's not a boat, but it is a good looking truck. This is a 2022 Ford F350 here in Charlotte. We're doing a paint correction. As you can see on the peelers, there's a lot of swirls in there. So we're going to tape off around it. And right here, a lot of detailers don't do that and they get residue everywhere. You don't want to do that. And if you look at the paint, right in the sun, there are swirls there too. So it's very similar to doing a boat, except I think it's a lot easier. So you ain't even really got to charge a whole bunch. I mean, you want to charge, you know, accordingly, but you don't want to do it for free because it don't take nearly as long as the boat. This is clear coat, not gel coat like on a boat, so it does not take nearly as long if you know what you're doing once again. So let's get these swirls out. Okay, so we're going in with Starke Elevate, and we got the Lake Country 44 foam pad on the 21mm root polisher. This polisher will correct all swirls and water spots out of your paint or gel coat. So what we're doing here is the paint correction. You want to get it worked in real good in the lowest setting. After it's worked in, you want to turn it all the way up to 6 and go slow and give it enough pressure to where it will actually do the job. Polishing works by heat and pressure. You got one hand on the end of the polisher and you got the other hand on the head. This truck had very, very bad water spots on the hood. So really, when dealing with bad water spots, dealing with Starke, you got there, or just touch more. But with Elevate, you'll just have to do it twice, depending on the severity of the water spot. So that's it. All you want to do is 2x2 sections at a time. And we've went down the whole entire truck. So let me do a separate clip with the flashlight on. Oh y'all, I put the tape here so you can really see the before and after. Like, oh my gosh, look at the huge difference that made. Right there, you have it. Perfect paint and swirled paint. That's why you stay away from drive-thru car washes. Alright, so here's with the light on. We still have to go around and do one more final wipe down. Here's in the sun. We still got some residue on there. So we're just going to come in with a borderless towel and get that residue off that's up here. You can actually see it with my finger. I just moved it around. That's not swirls, that's just residue. But the truck was really, really bad. We're 3 hours in so far. Look how good it looks. You got the post right here, right in the sun. And then we got these pillars done. We got residue on there we gotta wipe off. It was really bad.